Hi guys. So in this video, we'll be knowing about who all are going to be eligible to pursue this certification that Zella has launched, which we call into the field of accounting and finance. Now, a lot of students of me, especially when I was counseling all of my students, a lot of them asked me about this certification, that who all will be eligible to go ahead and say appear for this program or maybe take this certification from us. So for them, this is going to be a very informative video. Now, if you are someone who is already in their 5th or their 6th sem of any graduation, be it any stream into the field of arts, science or commerce majorly, or if in case you are also a professional who's completed a graduation in the field of anything, again, the graduation can be into the field of accounting or maybe into the field of finance, even diploma for that matter works. Or if in case you already are a working professional, wherein your working experience will be ranging from a 0 to a 2 years of work experience, are majorly the ideal candidates who are going to be chosen to go ahead with this program. Now, when we launched this program, we did not have a bandwidth say that these are going to be the people who are eligible for this course. We just wanted this course to be eligible for everyone who's looking for a job or maybe looking for a placement with a good multinational company in the field of accounting and finance. But one major document that we take from all of these students is their graduation certificate. Having said that, how is this course going to be beneficial for people who already are working professionals? Say if you're looking for a switch or maybe if you're looking for a good package into the field of finance and accounts, including your concepts of financial analyst, cost management, maybe into the field of income tax, maybe into GST, then these professionals who are looking forward to have their work experience sorted now in these profiles are also some that we shortlist to go ahead with this certification into finance and accounts. Not only just that you get a good experience while working with these companies, but a good package also, because that is the need of the hour that all of our students recommend us. So guys, if you have any queries, hit us on the number above and get your queries resolved by our own in-house counselors who can help you get into the field of certification into finance and accounts. Thank you.